may I present to you once again our newlyweds for their speech. A round of applause for Mr. and Mrs. Emperador.
Hello. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat na dumalo sa aming kasal. At na-appreciate ko po yung pagpunta niyo lahat dito. Kahit na sa simpleng pagpunta niyo lang po ay masayang-masaya na po kami doon. So, maraming salamat po.
Ayun, thank you po ulit. Ito lang sinabi ni Raymond. Thank you to our friends, family, ninongs, ninangs. And ngayon po, we want to share a song with you. And it's going to be like my thank you kay Lord. Kasi first and foremost, I should be thanking Him, di ba po? So, let us share this song with you. And please join in kung alam niyo po yung kanta.
Are we now ready with the guitar? Palakpakan niyo naman po ang ating bagong kasal. They're ready now for their intermission number.